The classical guitar, an enjoyable instrument to play alone or with the others. A guitar can be used to play amazing music piece consisting of melodies and chords. One of the distinct features of the guitar is the melody and accompaniment can be played at the same time, while a classical guitar is best enjoyed playing solo melodies. Playing with the other guitarists can also be very enjoyable. My name is Oliver Owen, and today I will teach about a classical guitar, a simple introduction to a classical guitar. Today, in this micro teaching, I will teach about the body part of the guitar. I will show it to you guys, and position, how to hold a guitar while playing, the finger name, and the care and the maintenance to the guitar. Okay, firstly, I will show the body part of the guitar. This is my YAMAHA C315 classical guitar, and as you can see, on the top of the guitar, this is the head of the guitar. This is the head. This is the tuning peg. By turning this tuning peg, the tightness of the string can be adjusted. This is how you tune the guitar. Next, the neck. This is the neck of the guitar, and as you can see, on the top of the neck, there is a many metal stripe right here. This metal stripe. This metal stripe called the frets. The fret is installed above of the neck, and at the front of the neck, this also called the fingerboard. This is where, when the string are pressed, the note are created. Next, the strings. This is the strings of the guitar. The classical guitar has 6 strings. From the bottom, it is called the first, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and the 6th string. The first string, the tuning is high E. Then the second string is B. The third string is G, the fourth string is D, the fifth string is A, and the 6th string is lower E. After the string, this round hole you see right here is called the sound hole. Usually a sound hole is round. This is the place where the sound was projected from the guitar. And the largest part of the guitar is this, the body. The body of the guitar is where the sound is amplified. And lastly, I will show you this white strip right here. This is it's called bridge. That's all that I can show you about the body part of the guitar. Next, I will show you how to hold a guitar properly, the position of classical guitar, the body posture, how to hold a guitar. Okay, I will show you. Okay, now I will show you how to sit properly when holding the guitar, the classical guitar position. Firstly, every classical guitar player should be seated on a chair like this and sit relatively forward on the chair. This, what I mean, this is the chair. Not like this, but relatively forward like this. Okay. That's how a classical guitarist should sit on the chair. When you already sit on the chair, put your left foot on a footstool. I will move the camera down a bit. Okay, like this. You should see it, and how to take the guitar and put it on your left foot. Then the right foot, let it wide open like this, wide open like this. Okay, and make sure you always relax your right hand like this. Don't make it stress, so you can reach all the string relaxedly. Like this, you can move it like this. As you can see, my hands are relaxed. That is the classical guitar position. Now, about the left hand, always put the thumb, this thumb, behind the neck. This is what I mean. This, behind the neck. The forefinger of the left hand pressing down the string, while the thumb is always behind the neck like this. So, it has a more comfortable position. That's all about the position of the classical guitar. Next, I will teach about the names of the finger, the classical guitarist's fingers. Each of these fingers have its own name and numbering. Now I will tell you the name of these fingers. The traditional name of the right hand fingers is called pulgar, index, medio, and annular. P-I-M-A. This is the finger names. About the left hand fingers, this is the number 1 fingers, 2, 3, and 4. You must always remember this. P-I-M-A. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you put these fingers on the guitar. Like this. You can see it like this. If you are a beginner to a classical guitar, this can be your practice for this finger. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all for the fingers name. Now, lastly of the lesson today, I will tell you about the care of the maintenance of the classical guitar. You should not put the guitar in the place where it is too hot or too cool, because it will break the body and the strings. It will also make the string rusty. The string should be replaced at least once every 6 months. The sound of the guitar can change completely with a new strings. If possible, you can change the string once every 3 months. And who does that playing the classical guitar every day, you were advised to change the strings every month, or if you can, every week. Every professional guitarist will replace their strings before the performance, so they can produce a beautiful tone. One more tips, the string will last longer if you wipe it regularly. Human finger can leave many sweats and amount of oil behind. The string will start to rust quickly if these sweats and oil are not removed. make a habit of wiping the string after playing it or before playing it. Then my last tips about the string is, when you are not playing with the guitar, loosen the tightness of the string of the guitar. If you're not playing it for a long time, that I mean is maybe many than 1 month or a year, like that. This is because when a guitarist didn't touch his or her guitar for a long time, it will damage the bridge of the guitar. So to prevent this damage, you should loosen the string, all of the string, when you are not playing it for a long time. Okay, that's all for the lesson today about the classical guitar. I hope you are learning something new today, and for those that want to learn about the classical guitar, go for it and do not give up, keep practicing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching.